Salot.
Walang isip.
Bakla.
Baliw.
Gago.
Intentional hurting of a person is called bullying. Physical, blocking and pushing.
Verbal, name calling, teasing, and threats. Relational, exclusion and manipulating friendship.
Cyberbullying, sending hurtful messages.
%43 of girls and 53% of boys encounter bullying in the Philippines.
14% of students in high school consider suicide. 1 out of 3 Filipino students are being bullied in school.
Anti-Bullying Act of 2013, Republic Act No. 10627, is a crucial piece of legislation in the Philippines that aims to protect students from bullying.
Wag!
Wag. Wag.
Wag.
Wag. Huwag mong subukan. Huwag mong subukang mambuli.
Anti-Bullying Advocacy Campaign.